Need to back up or transfer your SMS and call logs on Android? SMS Backup and Restore makes it easy with cloud support and scheduled backups. In this video, we'll review its features, pros, cons, and what it's missing. Part 1. What is SMS Backup and Restore? SMS Backup and Restore is a free Android app designed to back up and restore your SMS, text messages, multimedia messages, and call logs. It helps users protect important communication data by saving it to cloud storage or local device storage. Part 2. Main features of SMS Backup and Restore. Pros: free and easy to use, cloud and scheduled backups, Wi-Fi phone transfer, selective restore, no root needed, portable XML files. Cons: SMS call logs only, set as default SMS app to restore, Android only, no encryption, slow with large files. Part 3. How to use SMS Backup and Restore. Backup SMS via settings. Google Backup now stores messages on Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Good for short-term safety, less for long-term. Restore. To restore, open SMS Backup and Restore, tap Restore, and pick a backup. Part 4. Security and user reviews of SMS Backup and Restore. Security aspects. No malware, made by trusted SyncTech with millions of downloads. No root needed, safer, no system risks. Permission-based, accesses only SMS, call logs. Cloud backups, supports Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. Positive user review. Negative user review. Part 5. Best alternative to SMS Backup and Restore. Mobican Backup Manager for Android Win and Mac is a leading solution for one-click phone backup and restoration, ensuring data is preserved without loss. Firstly, after downloading and installing the software on your computer, launch the program. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. Secondly, select the data types you want to back up and choose a folder on your computer to save the files. Then, click Backup to sync your Infinix data with the computer.